big story that we have for you viewers is coming from Karnataka. It's a shocker from Karnataka Chief Minister. It's yet another shocking remark that has come from Karnataka's Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah. In the dock over Bengaluru stampede, Siddaramaiah cited previous stampede incidents as a way to justify what happened. He also has asked, has anybody resigned when several people died during stampede in BJP's tenure? Listen in to what exactly Mr. Siddaramaiah had to say.
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಈ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತನಿಖೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆನೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ವಿಷಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಘಟನೆ ನಡಿಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಡಿಬಾರ್ದಂತ ದುರಂತ ನಡೆದಿದೆ, ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ವಿಷಾದವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Let's now go across to my colleague Neha Hebale joining us live right now for more on this. Neha, how do we really look at this statement coming in from Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah?
She wanted a proper reply by Chief Minister on the Chinnaswamy stampede matter. उसका भाषण सुनने के लिए हम इधर आए नहीं. But people of Karnataka expected a clear answer by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. लेकिन there was a long speech, but there was no clarity. If DNA is accused in the Chinnaswamy stampede issue, if RCB is accused, if KSA is accused, if police officials are accused, then Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar should have been accused number 1 and accused number 2. Because it was only after Chief Minister gave permission to celebrate on the grand steps of Vidhana Saudha. That was the main reason behind the entire this tragedy. On behalf of police department, they gave it in a writing that they cannot organize celebration with such a short span. They need 1 week time. Like in spite of this, because of CM insisted, this celebration was carried out. And CM himself tweeted and invited RCB fans. But now on the floor of the house, CM claims that there is no Karnataka players in the RCB team. There is no Karnataka interest in this RCB victory. And there is everything is commercial. अरे उस दिन पता नहीं था क्या मुख्यमंत्री जी को, जब आरसीबी को इधर सेलिब्रेशन के लिए बुलाया गया था, मुख्यमंत्री को पता नहीं था कि ये सब कर्नाटका प्लेयर्स नहीं है, ये पूरा कमर्शियल है. नाउ आफ्टर दिस ट्रेजेडी ये नाटकबाजी करना ठीक बात नहीं है. इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी हम लोग वॉकआउट भी किया है, क्योंकि मुख्यमंत्री की आंसर से हम संतुष्ट नहीं है.
Sir, another question that arises now politically. Yesterday, while there was a banter going on between Mr. R. Ashok and DK Shivakumar, sir, he's expressed, his desires, what BJP leaders have been saying, sir. He sang the anthem of the RSS, sir. How do you see this?
देखिए, DK Shivakumar ji और
So my colleague Neha Hebale was getting us the first reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party on the statement that has been made by Karnataka Chief Minister Mr. Siddaramaiah about the June 4 stampede that took place at Bengaluru's M.A. Chinnaswamy Stadium, in which 11 people were killed and 56 got injured. Listen in to what exactly the Chief Minister had to say.
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಈ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತನಿಖೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆನೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ವಿಷಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಘಟನೆ ನಡಿಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಡಿಬಾರ್ದಂತ ದುರಂತ ನಡೆದಿದೆ, ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ವಿಷಾದವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
So you heard this reaction coming in from Karnataka Chief Minister Mr. Siddaramaiah about the stampede that took place. In a way, once again, the Chief Minister seems to be shirking the responsibility, and BJP on the other hand, has said that in this case, the accountability needs to be fixed, and DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah should have been made accused number 1 and accused number 2 because they insisted, and that's the reason why celebrations were carried out on that particular day. We have RP Singh of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon, Mr. RP Singh. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to what Mr. Siddaramaiah has to say?
Well, how can a person who is in public life can be so indifferent toward such a stampede? They say that stampede happens worldwide and it's not happened only in Karnataka. Fact is that yes, stampedes happen, but it's not that when stampede has happened and thereafter you do the program. I mean, they knew that stampede happened. DK Shivkumar was on stage after, and Siddaramaiah ji knew that stampede has happened. They should have stopped the program there and then. Why did they continue with the program even when the stampede was happening outside?
Right. These kind of remarks, Mr. RP Singh, had come when the stampede took place as well. Because remember, even that time, comparisons were being made with what happened in Kumbh as well. And the same point has been made by the Chief Minister once again. So does it also show some sort of indifference towards what really happened? Because in the inquiry reports also that we had really seen, the onus was being put more on the RCB team here, the event management company. The government just did not take any sort of responsibility.
Well, even if they put blame on the event management company, but they were sharing the stage with all those event management companies, and they were sharing the stage with the cricketers. But they were at that time when it had happened, it had already happened, and the time which was happening, they were aware that it has happened. They could have called back the complete program. They could have halted the program and would have focused on the emergency which was outside the stadium.
All right. All right. Mr. RP Singh, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective on this.